Straightforward topic, cumulative frequency. Let's read the question. Sandeep recorded the length of time in minutes that each of 100 adults went for a walk on one Saturday afternoon. The cumulative frequency table gives us information about these times. So this is a cumulative frequency table. On the grid, draw a cumulative frequency graph for the information in the table. Well, to draw a cumulative frequency graph is very easy. Step one, make sure you already have a cumulative frequency column. Okay? Sometimes you're only given a frequency column and you have to make the cumulative frequency column. Here, you have the cumulative frequency column already, so we can get started drawing. And cumulative frequency charts always start at 0, 0. It's just in the bottom left corner. And we always label from the endpoint. So at 40, it'll be 6. So at 40, the cumulative frequency will be 6. So I guess each box is 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Yeah. So I'll go 3 boxes high. Boom. 50 will be 20. 60 will be 56. 60 will be 56. 70 will be 84. 70 will be 84. 80 will be 95. And 90 will be 100. And we draw it freehand. Boom. Like that. Next, use your graph to find an estimate for the median length of time that these adults went for a walk. Basically, guys, to help us do this, I'm gonna draw a quick number line. And this is the first person. And there are 100 people in total. So basically, if we're looking for the median, we're looking for the middlemost person, which is the 50th person. This is not your answer. A lot of people write, oh, the answer is 50. No, we're going to find the time of the 50th person. So we're going to go across on our y-axis and look for 50. And then go across. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. So the median time taken was about 59 minutes. Okay? And that's your answer. All right. So there's 100 people in total. So the middle person is the 50th person. So you go up to 50 on the y-axis and then go across and down. 59 minutes. Next, one of the 100 adults is chosen at random. Use your graph to find an estimate for the probability that this adult went for a walk for more than 72 minutes. So we know 72 minutes. We'll go across. We'll find 72 minutes. So that's on your y-axis. 72 is here. We'll go up. Remember, just an estimate. So this is about 88. And we're looking for the probability that this adult went for a walk more than 72 minutes. So 72 minutes onwards. So from here to here. So from 88 to 100, there's 12 people. And since it's a probability, it's going to be 12 out of 100 people in total. And that's your answer for that one. Next. I'll change this one very briefly. Find the interquartile range. Now let's go back to our number line here. So 50th was the median. The lower quartile is the gap between the first and the 50th. So the lower quartile is the 25th person. So what we're going to do is we're going to go across to 25 on our cumulative frequency. So 20, 30, 25 is here. And then go down. That's about 52. So the lower quartile is 52 minutes. And the upper quartile is the gap between 50 to 100, which is the 75th person. So we're going to go across 7 to 75 on the y-axis. So 60, 70, 75 is here. So the upper quartile is 65 minutes. And interquartile range is the difference between the upper and the lower quartile. So 65 minus 52 is 13. So 13 minutes. All right, next one. 2 of the adults are chosen at random. What's the probability they went for a walk under 65 minutes? So 65 minutes is about here. Oh, it's the same as lower quartile. So that's about 75. And under 65 minutes. So here and less. So looking for below. So from 75 to 0, that's 75 people. So the probability of the first person, so we have 2 people, the first person, it'll just be 75 out of 100. And then if we choose one person, there's 99 people left, and there's only 74 people remaining who walk under 65 minutes. We just times these. So now it was 2 people. This was just one person, so it's a question slightly different. And you just multiply these numbers. 75 times 74, 5550 over 99 times 100, 9900. All right. So I went to 65 minutes. I'm looking for the section less than 65 minutes, so the section below. So from 75 to 0, there's 75 people. So the probability of the first person will be 75 out of 100. The second person will be 74 out of 99. Next page. The table gives information about the time taken in minutes for 80 taxi journeys. So here, this is a frequency table only, not a cumulative frequency. Part 2, complete the cumulative frequency table. Well, very easy. The first value will be just 7. The second value will be by the addition of these 2 numbers. So 7 plus 10 is 17. Because it says the time taken from 0 to 10 minutes. So from 0 to 10 minutes, that's just these 2 tables. So 17. Third is 0 to 15. So from 0 to 15 is from here to here. So you add up these values. So 7 plus 10 plus 12, 29. 0 to 20 is just these values here. So 48. Then the next one is all of these values here. Let's do 48 plus another 18, 66. And then the last one is from 0 to 30. So from 0 to 30, so all of these values. So I'll add on 14 to 66, so 80. All right. And yeah, 80 matches 80 taxi journeys. Then on the grid opposite, complete a cumulative frequency table. Graph, sorry, so always start at 0, 0. So at 5, a time of 5, remember we use our endpoint. So at 5 minutes, the frequency will be 7. So at 5, it'll be 7. So I guess the space is just 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. At 10 will be 17. 10 will be 17. 15 will be 29. 20 will be 48. 25 will be 66. 30 will be 80. We just connect the dots. Then use your graph to find the median. So we'll draw like a little number line. This is the first person. There's 80 people in total. So the median will be the 40th person. So we're gonna look on the cumulative frequency at 40. And then go across. So that'll be about, so I guess this would be 17.5, so I guess 18 minutes. Then interquartile range. Interquartile range, remember, is the gap. Lower quartile is this gap. So from the gap between 1 and 40 would be the 20th. So we're going to look for the 20th person. That's about 11 minutes. Upper quartile, the gap from 40 to 80, so the 60th person. 60 is here. Boom, 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 boom. So what's in the middle of 20 and 25? 22.5. And then you subtract the upper quartile from the lower quartile. So 22.5 minus 11 is 11.5. And have your interquartile range. And then less than, let me change my pen color real quick. Less than 20% of the journeys were less than 13 minutes long. True or false? Step 1, let's find 13 minutes. So this is 12.5, so 13 is here. I want to be a bit more neat there. So that's about 24. And then we're looking for less than 13 minutes. So from 13 less. So from here, which is 23, to 0, there were 23 journeys. less than 13 minutes. And 20% of the journeys were less than 13 minutes long. So we have to find 20% of the total number of journeys. So 20% of 80. So 20% is just 0.2 times 80 is equal to 16 journeys. So the claim is that less than 16 journeys were less than 13 minutes long. Well, that's false because we said there's 23 journeys which are less than 13 minutes. So false. Question here, this question here, and this question here.